So if you're looking for a good AI automation for marketing tech stack for your cleaning business, I still believe this is one of the better tech stacks that I've been using. I've tested so many and I have tons of videos on cleaning businesses, but I always come down to just simplifying. I'm really big on simplifying, and then even with just Zapier, I haven't added it on here, but with just a few automation tools. Now, I think Zapier is going to get pushed out eventually with all the AI stuff coming out, but this is the beginning of it, okay? You guys are looking, this is Go High Level, this is Closebot, and then this is Hyros. Now, I might not be using Closebot years from now, or a year from now, or months from now, but as of now, it's the greater out of all of those chatbots that we've seen. Go High Level was starting to get sophisticated when it comes to their booking bot. A year ago when I tried it, as I'm shooting this video, it was horrible. So I had to go find another one, which was Closebot. And then Hyros is an ad tracking platform. And this is really all you need, especially if you want to get into the era of automating and scaling your business. These are eventually the tool stack. And today, I mean, you can even just get away with Go High Level. But I don't understand why people don't use Go High Level. Go High Level integrates with so many other tools, so many other softwares that are upcoming. They see Go High Level as one of the modern day giants. So they're integrating webhooks. There's so many different ways to connect. Let it be the foundation. This is why I talk about a lead and client tracker. That's what Go High Level is. It's a CRM with SMS, email automations to organize and structure everything. And then we can start testing every other AI tool, other softwares, other tech. We're actually building a software that connects with Go High Level because, again, it's something that you just can't compete with. And then we have AI Booking Bot, which right now is Closebot. Still think they're doing great. When Go High Level's Booking Bot was breaking, I was using or I was looking for others, and out of all of the other ones, I've seen Closebot because we need something that automatically just texts leads, books them onto the calendar. If you guys are closed after hours and you guys get a lead through like Google or any other platforms that send it back to your website, you want something or someone, in this case AI, to text your lead and make sure that, hey, we're talking to someone, we'll reach out to you as soon as a concierge or somebody from the office can help you guys the next morning. That's what the booking bot does. And if I'm going fast, hopefully I'm just kind of giving you guys a big overview. I have so many videos breaking all these down step by step, and I'll put that in description. And then recently over the summer, I added this Hyros, which is advertising tracking. So it's a sophisticated AI tracking system to scale paid ads. And I've been using this and a lot of great things about it. This is just for those that are spending a couple grand plus a month. And that's what one of our clients is doing right now. They're spending over 5 grand on ads per month. So this one was 3,700 just this past month, and we've done great amounts with just this amount of budget. So number of recurring came from that. You could see 10 total for the month. You could see 7 new deep cleans, initial cleans. But the ads kind of help accelerate and pump these out. So you can obviously see the amounts that have come from ads just from that ad spend. Now, this is just what we've tracked, and the client continues to work with us because they're growing every month and they're willing to invest money to just grow their brand and outpace their competition. So you need stuff like that. And this is the reason why. So most businesses are not able to get in touch with their leads within like a few minutes. And there's several studies that a significant portion of leads, they quote unquote, they fall off. So if they're not contacted within a few minutes, with some research suggesting up to 80% of potential customers actually may be lost. So we're getting you leads, they're coming in, we have the right keywords, the right funnel, but they get lost within a few minutes. That's why we added that booking bot, which is, again, Closebot. But in this case, we can use even Go High Level. I think Go High Level has upped it these last few months. I stopped using Go High Level a year ago because it was breaking. And a lot of people, with me, I'm transparent. If it works, great. I'm not sold out on just tools because of all the hype. I'm sold out because it gets results. And I've seen the shift in Go High Level. So maybe I can even do a breakdown. I think that'd be a good video to really break this down. So they go from like a paid advertisement to your website. Once they fill it out, they get a text from our bot, even if it's after hours and you're closed. Book someone to the calendar the next morning, 9 a.m., 10 a.m., as soon as you're available. And then you as a cleaning business, you'll get the notification. Okay, so that's the overall. Now, again, we talked about this tech stack. You got to look at your current technology stack, software stack, and if you could save money, that's one thing for me. Saving money, but also being highly optimized with your day-to-day. So you need a CRM and email SMS system. You need a booking scheduling system. a phone system, and then you need a website host. Thankfully, with Go High Level, you could do three of them. You can have your own phone system. We can even transfer your phone system. I've done that several times. CRM, email, SMS system, and then it hosts even websites that we're building clients for. And we're also building SEO uh, services onto these websites. So I just know because Go High Level, their page speed has dramatically increased over the years, and I think they're doing well. Again, just only recommending based on results. So if I were to look at pillars, you need a CRM system, a booking system, a paid advertising system, and an advertising tracking system. These are like the pillars when it comes to like the marketing pillar. So again, this is why I put the best AI tech stack tools, especially for marketing, that you need. These are the four pillars for the marketing that you would need if I were to just kind of zoom into each lever to make sure that we are optimized and that us as an agency is making sure that you're getting qualified leads, and when you are, they're being attended to even when you're not attending to them right away. This is the new era that we're stepping into. I have countless videos on what this looks like. We run Google search ads. I'll show you guys case studies. I'll probably put some below in the description. But I also have a playlist on how to build out Google search ads if you want to do this yourself. AI overviews are starting to come up. This is why we're starting to do AEO, GEO, SEO, and helping businesses, cleaning businesses, rank up in the local SEO maps. And we're doing the best of our efforts to just get them up there. And then there's LSA, which is very simple to kind of set up. But you want to be able to rank on Google page one. And then we can start talking about Facebook ads. I have really great videos on this channel on Facebook ads if you want to just set it up. I show you exact targeting, all that. So you guys can check out those. But my whole goal is to just find the right people, because a lot of people, they'll consume, but very few actually want to grow and are adaptable to AI and the new marketing efforts of where the landscape is shifting. So that's why I share a lot of this, okay? Again, I kind of share with you guys the paid advertising, the website. They go to your landing page, your funnel, and then you get the notification. And if I were to work on a business big picture and leverage tools and software, this is what I would focus on. An acquisition system, a nurturing system, a fulfillment mechanism, and then a way to just scale your business. This can go for literally any business, regardless of whatever you run. But I look at every piece. We obviously focus on the acquisition and the nurturing system. I have really good friends in the cleaning business space that has really great hiring, operations. They dialed in their day-to-day fulfillment. They got that all dialed in. And then we work together on how to scale their business. Okay. Obviously, to scale is just doing more of what already works. This is why if you want to just grow and double, spend double the amount on ads and you'll grow, right? As long as the ads are and the keywords are converting, you're trying to outpace your competition. Again, every city depends, every marketplace, it all depends. But there is always a demand for house cleaning. That's why I've got into the house cleaning space. I work with some commercial clients. We do a little bit different. But as far as like the house cleaning, Google Ads, we have it dialed in. We're building SEO to rank them on maps so that they can get double the amount of leads. But also, when you actually get to top 3 in map, you become unstoppable. And then you just leverage the keywords and just beat your competition. It's a whole nother level of being able to have that leverage. Cool. So you need a system, an acquisition system that is constantly generating leads daily. And then a system that automates and builds those relationships and does follow-ups. There's clients that we've gotten through Facebook ads 3 months ago, and they're converting today on a Facebook ad because we're email marketing them. So remarketing campaigns, reactivation campaigns, follow-up campaigns. We're literally following up with every person that comes in for a whole year, and then it just recycles again. Every single month they get touched with our backend system and with Go High Level. So yeah, I can probably put a lot of the videos down below. You can check out my channel if you guys are interested in what this actually looks like. There's so many that I have. I just want to do a refresh video because I think a lot of people, they overcomplicate things. And for me, if it works and drives results, I'm sticking with it. But I'm always constantly testing every month. So we're doing new dashboards, ways to be able to track. So there's so much to that. Cool. So I'll tap in if you guys want to get some more resources into the description below. If you want to work with us, run Google Ads, maybe build out your backend systems. We help clients at different pace and seasons, depending on where they're at with their cleaning biz. So we've helped them from all the way beginners to people that are doing 200-300 cleans a month. Cool. So check that out. Thank you guys for watching until the end. God bless you. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.